Once upon a time, in the heart of a deep, enchanted forest, there stood a magical tree. Unlike any other tree in the forest, this tree shimmered with silver leaves that glowed in the moonlight, and its trunk sparkled like gold in the sunlight. The animals of the forest called it the whispering tree, for whenever the wind blew, it would whisper stories and secrets of the forest to anyone who listened closely. One day, a curious little squirrel named Pip noticed something strange. The magical tree, which always stood tall and proud, had started to droop. Its once sparkling leaves had turned dull, and the whispers it used to share had gone silent. "Oh no!" Pip squeaked. "The whispering tree is losing its magic." Determined to help, Pip hurried to his best friends, a wise old owl named Orla and a gentle rabbit named Hazel. Together, they decided to visit the great spirit of the forest, who lived in a hidden glade known only to the bravest and kindest creatures. After a long journey through winding paths and over babbling brooks, they finally reached the great spirit. She appeared before them as a beautiful, glowing figure with eyes that sparkled like the stars. "Great Spirit," Pip said, bowing politely, "the whispering tree is losing its magic. Can you help?" The Great Spirit smiled warmly. "Ah, little ones," she said in a soft voice, "the magic of the tree comes from the love and care of the forest. But lately, the creatures of the forest have forgotten to listen to its whispers, and they no longer visit the tree with joy in their hearts. If you want to restore its magic, you must remind the forest of the tree's importance." "But how?" asked Hazel. "The tree needs love, laughter, and stories to thrive," the Great Spirit explained. "You must gather the creatures of the forest and share the joy of the whispering tree with them again." Pip, Orla, and Hazel set off on their mission. They called upon all the animals of the forest: deer, foxes, birds, and even the shyest creatures like hedgehogs and mice. They gathered around the whispering tree and began to tell stories, sing songs, and share memories of the tree's magic. As they laughed and played together, something incredible happened. The tree's silver leaves began to glow again, and the whispers returned, filling the air with gentle, magical sounds. "The tree is coming back to life!" Pip cheered. The forest was alive with joy, and the whispering tree stood tall and proud once more, its magic stronger than ever. From that day on, the animals of the forest made sure to visit the tree often, sharing stories and love to keep its magic alive. And so, the enchanted forest remained a place of wonder, where the whispering tree whispered its secrets to all who would listen. And they all lived happily ever after.